Hello and welcome back to my channel. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives, and its potential uses are seemingly endless. So, in this video, we'll explore the top 10 ways to use artificial intelligence, like chatgpt, to help you every day, whether you're a student, working professional, or anything in between. Let's get started. 1. Personal assistant. A personal assistant powered by artificial intelligence offers an invaluable way to enhance your daily life. With its advanced capabilities, it serves as a versatile tool that can provide assistance across various tasks and responsibilities. From organizing your schedule and setting reminders to answering questions and providing recommendations, a personal assistant offers convenience and efficiency. This AI-powered assistant leverages its vast knowledge base and natural language processing abilities to understand your queries and provide relevant information promptly. By utilizing cutting-edge technologies, it can adapt and learn from each interaction, continually improving its accuracy and understanding of your preferences. Moreover, a personal assistant ensures seamless integration with other devices and applications, enabling a connected experience across multiple platforms. It can assist with managing emails, composing texts, and even controlling smart home devices, effortlessly simplifying your daily routines. 2. Language translation. Artificial intelligence, exemplified by chatgpt, has made language translation an indispensable tool for daily use. With its advanced algorithms and natural language processing capabilities, AI-powered translation services enable seamless communication across different languages. By leveraging vast databases and machine learning techniques, these intelligent systems can accurately interpret and translate text, speech, and even visual content in real time. From translating documents and web pages to facilitating multilingual conversations, AI-powered language translation offers convenience and breaks down language barriers. Furthermore, these translation services continually improve through iterative learning processes, ensuring accuracy and fluency in their translations. They adapt to nuances, idioms, and context, providing more nuanced and precise results. The integration of language translation AI into everyday devices and applications allows for instant and on-the-go translations. Whether it's translating foreign signs, deciphering menus in a different language, or communicating with individuals who speak different languages, AI-powered translation services enhance cross-cultural interactions and promote global connectivity. 3. Writing assistance. Artificial intelligence, such as chatgpt, offers an invaluable tool for everyday writing assistance. With its advanced algorithms and natural language processing capabilities, AI-powered writing assistants elevate your writing skills and boost productivity. Whether you're crafting professional documents, academic papers, or creative pieces, AI Writing Assistance provides valuable suggestions to refine your work. It analyzes your text, offers grammar corrections, and suggests alternative word choices to enhance clarity and coherence. Beyond grammar and style, AI-powered writing assistants provide research support, fact-checking, and generate ideas to overcome writer's block. They tap into vast knowledge repositories and offer valuable insights to enrich your content. What sets AI writing assistants apart is its ability to learn and adapt to your unique writing style. Over time, it becomes attuned to your preferences, delivering personalized suggestions that align with your voice. Before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more informative and amazing videos. 4. Research and data analysis. Artificial intelligence offers an exceptional resource for research and data analysis in our everyday lives. With its advanced capabilities and access to vast databases, AI-powered tools assist in processing and extracting valuable insights from complex data. These intelligent systems leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze large data sets swiftly and accurately. They can identify patterns, trends, and correlations, enabling researchers and analysts to make data-driven decisions with confidence. AI-powered research and data analysis tools also facilitate efficient literature reviews by sifting through an extensive collection of scholarly articles, extracting key information, and summarizing relevant findings. This saves time and enhances the research process. 5. Personalized recommendations. Artificial intelligence offers personalized recommendations that can significantly enhance our daily lives. Leveraging its advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, AI-powered recommendation systems analyze vast amounts of data to deliver tailored suggestions and enhance our decision-making processes. Whether it's recommending movies, books, music, or even products and services, AI-powered recommendation systems take into account our preferences, behaviors, and past interactions. They provide personalized suggestions that align with our unique tastes, saving us time and effort in finding the right options. These recommendation systems continuously learn and adapt based on our feedback, improving their accuracy and understanding of our preferences over time. Through pattern recognition and data analysis, they can identify hidden connections and suggest items that we may have not discovered otherwise. 6. Virtual training and learning. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the field of virtual training and learning, offering immense benefits for individuals in their daily lives. Through AI-powered virtual training platforms, users can access interactive and personalized learning experiences from the comfort of their own homes. These intelligent systems leverage advanced algorithms to adapt to the user's learning style, pace, and preferences, creating tailored educational content. By analyzing data and tracking progress, AI can provide personalized feedback and recommendations to enhance the learning journey. AI-powered virtual training also enables simulations and immersive experiences, allowing users to practice skills and scenarios in a safe and controlled environment. This fosters hands-on learning and facilitates skill development across various domains. 7. Health monitoring and diagnosis. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in health monitoring and diagnosis, providing valuable support and insights for individuals in their daily lives. AI-powered systems analyze health data, symptoms, and medical history to offer personalized monitoring and early detection of potential health issues. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these intelligent systems can detect patterns and anomalies in health data, alerting individuals to take proactive measures. They can track vital signs, sleep patterns, exercise routines, and other health parameters, providing real-time feedback and recommendations for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Furthermore, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can assist individuals in assessing symptoms and offering preliminary diagnoses. By asking relevant questions and comparing symptoms to vast medical databases, these systems can provide valuable insights and recommendations for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Furthermore, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can assist individuals in assessing symptoms and offering preliminary diagnoses. By asking relevant questions and comparing symptoms to vast medical databases, these systems can provide valuable insights and recommendations for seeking further medical attention. 8. Financial management. Artificial intelligence offers tremendous value in the realm of financial management, providing essential assistance in our daily lives. AI-powered financial management tools leverage advanced algorithms to analyze and interpret financial data, helping individuals make informed decisions and achieve their financial goals. These intelligent systems can track and categorize expenses, generate budgeting recommendations, and provide personalized financial advice. By analyzing spending patterns and financial habits, AI-powered tools offer insights into areas where individuals can save money, optimize their investments, and improve their overall financial health. Through machine learning, these systems continuously learn from user feedback and adapt their recommendations accordingly. They can identify trends and predict future financial outcomes, empowering individuals to make proactive decisions. 9. Smart home integration. Artificial intelligence offers seamless integration with smart home devices, providing enhanced convenience and efficiency in our daily lives. By connecting with AI-powered assistants, we can control various aspects of our homes with simple voice commands or through intuitive interfaces. Through smart home integration, AI can automate tasks such as adjusting lighting, regulating temperature, managing security systems, and controlling entertainment devices. It allows for personalized settings and preferences, adapting to individual routines and optimizing energy usage. AI-powered assistants can learn from our behaviors and preferences, anticipating our needs and making proactive adjustments. They can suggest energy-saving measures, provide weather updates, and even remind us of important tasks or appointments. Moreover, AI-powered smart home integration enables remote monitoring and control, providing peace of mind while away from home. It can send notifications about security breaches, smoke or carbon monoxide detection, or even remind us to turn off appliances. 10. Entertainment and relaxation. Artificial intelligence offers a plethora of opportunities for entertainment and relaxation in our daily lives. AI-powered systems can enhance our leisure time by providing personalized recommendations, immersive experiences, and even generating creative content. Through advanced algorithms and data analysis, AI-powered entertainment platforms can suggest movies, TV shows, music, and books that align with our preferences. They analyze our past choices, ratings, and interactions to offer tailored suggestions, saving us time and helping us discover new and engaging content. Furthermore, AI can contribute to immersive experiences through virtual reality and augmented reality applications. It can create lifelike simulations, interactive games, and immersive storytelling experiences that transport us to new worlds and engage our senses. AI also has the ability to generate creative content, such as music, artwork, and stories. By learning from existing works and understanding patterns, AI systems can produce original pieces that evoke emotions and spark our creativity. AI-powered tools have the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient in countless ways. From personal assistance and writing assistance to virtual learning and health monitoring, the possibilities are endless. By embracing AI and exploring its many potential uses, we can unlock a brighter, more connected future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.